3, 2, 1.
The Balogo Sports Complex is a sports facility located in Sorsogon City, Philippines. It serves as a venue for various sports and recreational activities in the area. The complex is equipped with different sports facilities, including a track and field oval, a football field, basketball courts, and other amenities to support various sports and events. It's a popular venue for local sports competitions, training sessions, and community gatherings. This is also frequently visited by some local bloggers such as Team Motouragon and Team Sorsogon Motovloggers. It's a great place to pass the time, although it's not very quiet in town. You'll still be able to relax in the beautiful surroundings and ambiance it offers. Is everything good? I hope to see you here in Bicol, Madjana. If you're new to my video, please support by hitting follow and subscribe. And don't forget to like and share all my videos. All goods, Dios Mabalos.